Mubarak. Students, you like to gift Eid cards to your friends and families. Let's make a beautiful Eid card like this. For making a beautiful Eid card, we need scissor, water glue, white glue, another stick glue, white glue, craft glue, red glitter, golden glitter, green glitter, silver glitter, sharpener, some colorful sign pens, black marker, pencil compass, pencil, eraser and a scale. We also need black paper and yellow paper. So students, let's make a beautiful Eid card. At first, I am taking these two papers for taking the measurement. So, I am taking the measurement and using a pencil. Now, I am going to cut these two papers with this scissor. Okay, I got two papers. Now, I am going to draw a half moon shape here. Now, I am making a half moon shape. Look how I am making this. Now I am using this black marker for drawing the outline. Okay, it's done. I'm going to cut these sides. Now, I'm going to decorate it by using these colorful sign pens. Look students, how I am decorating this half moon. Now, I am using this orange color. Now, dark green color. Now, I am going to use this pink color. Now, light green color. Now, this purple color. At last, I am going to use this yellow color. Okay, it's done. Now, I am going to use this water glue for using some glitter. I am using at first golden glitter, very small amount. Then green glitter. Then silver color glitter. Then at last red glitter. Okay. Now I am going to write something on this side of the half moon. But before that, I am going to draw some small stars. I am taking this scale and drawing some straight lines for hanging the little stars. One small, one big, one small, one big, like that. Okay. Now draw some small stars. White glue for covering this star shape. Before using glitter, I need to mark it by using this black marker. Now, at first I am using green glitter, then silver glitter, then golden glitter, red glitter, again red glitter and green glitter. Okay, so now I'll write something on this side by using this craft glue. Now I am going to use this red glitter for decorating this writing. It's called Eid Greetings. Okay. Now I am going to use some green color glitters. So I am keeping it one side for make it dry. And I am removing this glitter from the desk. Now I am taking this black paper and making another half moon. Okay, let's draw with a pencil. Now I am going to cut this shape with this scissor. Okay, I have drawn a half moon shape. Now I am going to write here Eid Mubarak by using this craft glue. But before that, I am going to decorate this moon shape by using this water glue. Okay, so I have drawn a half moon shape. Now I am going to use this white glue so I am using this white glue. Now I am going to use this golden glitter, but at first I need to wash my hands. Now I am going to use some glitters. Now I am going to write Eid Mubarak here. I am using this craft glue for writing Eid Mubarak. Again, I am going to use this golden glitter. Okay. I need to remove this glitter from this desk. So our decoration is done. I need this extra yellow paper. Okay. So I am taking this extra yellow paper and I am going to fold it. Look how I have drawn this shape. Now I am going to cut it by using this scissor. Now I am going to paste these shapes. For pasting these two cards, I need to use this craft glue again. Now another one. I have joined these two cards. Now I am decorating these extra papers by using this craft glue. Again I am using this golden glitter. So students, today we have made a beautiful Eid card for our friends and family. Hope you have enjoyed our today's class. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.